Siberian Husky Facts. Did you know that teams of Siberian Huskies saved the children from Nome, Alaska? In 1925, the children of Nome came down with a deadly disease called diphtheria. The closest antitoxin was over 1,000 miles away. Trains and planes could not get there, so the best way to get the medicine to the children in need was using mushers and teams of sled dogs. 20 mushers and their sled dog teams worked in relay to get the medicine to Nome. They traveled over 674 miles through the most brutal winter conditions in just 6 days. Leonard Seppala, his lead dogs Togo and Fritz, and their team ran the furthest distance in the relay at just over 261 miles, over 200 miles more than any other team. Despite covering the most distance over some of the most dangerous parts of the trail, Togo was not featured in the news at the time. Instead, Balto made headline news as he was the lead dog that came into Nome with the serum. There's even a statue of Balto in Central Park in New York City. But the biggest hero of the run was Togo.